let's
suggest?
get him. And we'll get him.
What do you guys suggest then? What do you guys
Welcome to
suggest?
stream.
Welcome. The main stream. Welcome. No one wants
What
to do that.
idea do you have?
All right, we're in.
Hold it right there.
Oh look,
Okay.
it's all three of us.
Oh yay! Matthew's got his bandana on for some reason.
Come to kill me.
Oh, you come to kill me.
Listen. Kidnapping ain't
Obviously,
nothing
me and
nice to go
Leo look
over
really
there.
cool.
Yeah.
We're
And Matthew's
talking
just
now
there,
about business
looking like
associates.
Trevor.
Neither. I'm an honest to goodness businessman. Well, I would be if I could just get ahead.
Yeah.
Listen, this situation, it'll help me get ahead, and it'll help
Situation.
you as they'll pay you. This fella right here,
I have blood on my face for some reason.
James. He'll be on the stagecoach coming.
You know,
from
on yours,
San
is that you
Take him.
approaching him, or is that
If
me?
he's traveling with
That's
anyone,
you.
take them too. You'll learn
Okay,
a
because I
bunch
just
of
want to
things.
check if he's different from
Oh,
me.
we got to rob a carriage then.
Down a little and teach him some manners. Good. That's what I like to see.
What? Oh,
He's having a shit.
That's what I like to see.
Boys.
All right,
Where's my
boys, you
horse
ready for our
running away?
first robbery?
Ambush the stagecoach and kidnap the target. Alright. You ready, boys?
Yeah.
Matthew, probably better if you go on your own horse. this
Yeah,
time.
probably.
No. Yeah, but we have to kidnap someone while someone holds them up.
Like now. Charlie, are you sure you are going the right way?
Yeah.
Oh, bandana's on, boys, when we approach. Bandana's on. We taking him out?
When did you put my bandana on?
Let me no, wait there. When you're ready, Charlie.
How do I put it on?
Go into items and go down to the
Okay,
bandana.
I got it.
Ready?
You ready?
Hold on, do I have mine on? Go!
Fuck. Put that guy's horse. So do it, boss! My aim is dreadful.
Don't kill the
Why is
horses.
the horse ain't working?
I got the drivers. What are we now? Hijacking? Hog tie him. Hog tie him. Get him. Get him.
Well, Leo, I can only get one guy. Matthew,
Matthew,
what
go.
are you doing?
I've got one of them. Go
No,
get
no,
him.
Matthew. Oh, fuck's sake. I'm gonna have to go and get him.
Go catch the guy.
Matthew, take this guy. Matthew, take this guy. Get him on your horse. That guy there.
I'll help you hunt the other guy if you want, Charlie.
No, I got him.
You got him?
What? Why have you done that, Leo?
Don't what?
Oh, I kicked him.
Charles. Good Charles.
You can call me Charlie if you want. It's not a big deal, mate.
No, I don't really want to call you Charles. Don't like
Okay.
it. Don't like it.
All good? Alright, let's go. Because we have to go and catch a guy that you didn't get.
Alright, they're coming.
But it says kidnap target, so...
He's
Go-
just a
go
bit
down the
disabled,
boss
Charlie.
Leo, did you see me jump onto the carriage?
No.
So cool.
Players better not kidnap the target.
No distractions, boys. Well, yeah, we have to
Distraction.
bring them alive. They can't be dead. Oh, you have bounty hunters on you. Oh. Yeah, so we all. Yeah, same.
Just chill.
Oh, actually, just feed it. No,
No.
just hold that one. I used to be an amateur like you, getting off to feed my horse.
Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Yeah!
Marry that girl, no matter
No, you
what
married.
you wanna do so.
Why you at me? I'm here. Back of the horse.
Yeah, I'm here as well. Oh, this is kind of low on stamina.
Yeah. Think so. I think you're gonna kidnap the target. Mission passed.
That was probably the best mission online.
Mm,
We've actually done something good to this game for once.
the best mission.
Mashing. She's nuts. She's nuts.
Bugga bug. Yeah.
These nuts, nuts,
You know
nuts.
these. You know these.
These nuts, these nuts. You know Joe, mama.
Joe Mama.
Huh?
Joe Mama. These D's.
Wait, let me put away my camera.
You need
Blood money missions.
You gotta tell me.
I'll take off my bun.
Oh, there's a lot of missions. Blood. Stagecoach stick up.
There's a train one.
I don't think so. We do clearing a house.
Yeah, right.
Yo, I think the main. So we have Covington Emerald,
Yeah.
which I feel like would be Emerald's Ranch train money heist.
Yeah.
We need 15 Capitale for that. So
Hmm.
we have to loot enemies for that. So we'll go
Oh,
to
yeah.
clean the house one.
Okay,
Alright.
you've been around for a while now. You know how it is.
Because all alpha males have bunk beds.
Living in
It's a
these
known fact, guys.
and the folks you're gonna meet.
From a non-biased perspective, all alpha males have bunk beds.
But all
Well,
Sigma
not-
males have beds.
They
And
say
he's
on
A
half
Sigma.
alpha.
He's a Sigma.
some capitale too.
It depends what bed he sleeps in.
Fruits of their villainy. You relieve him of it. You're doing civilization a favor.
Want to do civilization a favor?
Hop to it.
Why does that sound like a song? Gotta do civilization a favor.
Civilization.
Sounds like a Nicki Minaj.
Civilization.
Sounds like a Nicki Minaj song.
No, it sounds like a Michael Jackson song. Civilization
Gotta do civilization a favor.
in favor. Civilization.
Gotta do civilization a flavor. Give me different ice cream,
Civilize the
don't like the
world.
flavor.
And I wanna be Michael Jackson. Oh, sorry, guys, I got a bit carried away.
Civilization. Ooh.
Civilization.
You've been hit by.
You are not alone.
But you, civilization's
stay.
doing it a favor.
Civilization. Doing a favor.
You're not
You are not alone. I'm in bed with you. Civilization.
But you're not
I love
alone.
it now. It's in Irish. New. No, that's Canadian.
That's Matthew.
Oh, we're here already.
Billie Jean,
Sorry, Matthew.
not my love. Just a girl. Said that I am the one. But the boy is not my son.
They're running. Ow!
I did an epic execution on that guy just then.
So did I. Are they all dead?
I think so. I only use one gun. I'm Rango. Billie Jean, it's not my love. Michael Jackson songs are quite fun to sing.
Yeah.
You're
What?
not alone.
I haven't a banner. I can't wear the bandana while searching shit.
You're not a gnome. You're 6 or 8 feet tall. And
Usually
they're
not in Central.
usually quite small. You're not a gnome.
I think I found it.
Yes.
I got.
You're not.
Oh, I got one of them.
a gnome. You're not a gnome.
Right, how much capital do you have now?
Oh, I
I
killed
have
Matthew.
11. I have 11.
How did you check your capital?
I killed you. Oh yeah, that's weird, isn't it?
Well, Gromit, looks like you're sus. Sorry,
You're
Gromit,
sus, Gromit.
but you've got to go.
Don't say that to me, Gromit. Because you're the one who has to go.
Well, Gromit, looks like you're a bit sus. No more cheese for Gromit. No more Wensleydale. Not for Gromit.
Okay,
Well, Gromit,
right,
it seems
stay-
like you messed with the
okay.
wrong man.
okay. Let's go.
Well, Gromit. Looks like I have an opportunity and I'm gonna... Oh no, Gromit, help! Gromit, help!
I just saw you both fall off.
Oh no! I had Matthew on a lasso and I took him with me. Wait there,
The
Gromit!
train stops for no man.
Gromit!
The train stops for no man.
Gromit, no! I'm on, Gromit.
Leo pulled you off. Leo.
I was trying to hug at you and I fell off with you.
We're stopping up here anyway.
Well, Hobbit. I mean, Gromit. Looks like I've got...
Chuck me off the train.
Sorry, Gromit.
But
But
I'm
the
not like you.
cheese don't
I
stop.
was gonna throw you off, and now I am.
Sorry, Gromit, but the cheese train waits for no man.
The cheese train waits for no man. I fell
Sorry.
off.
Sorry, Gromit, but the were bunny's gonna have you now.
Ah, I got back on. I got back on the cheese train. The station's just up ahead, Leo.
Sorry, Gromit, but the cheese train doesn't obey your natural rules. The
do you
cheese
mean?
train's built different.
No, Leo, we need to kidnap people here.
The cheese train needs its victims, Charlie.
Well, let me go and
Collect.
search for anyone.
Collect some Wensleydale for the cheese train.
We'd stop now, it's fine. Leo, 3 men, 3 men.
Many men. Well, lads, look like you're gonna be victims of the Wensleydale.
Wensleydale crew.
It's the Wensleydale crew.
You're victims of the Wensleydale crew.
You're victims of the Wallace and
We're
Gromit gang.
kidnapping you to turn into cheese.
This one smells like cheddar Gromit.
This one smells like cheese.
Help! Help, Gromit! I'm stuck!
This one's under the table.
Like Wensleydale!
It smells just like a Wensleydale.
Should we have some melted cheese, Gromit?
Mine just disappeared, Gromit.
I'm gonna melt
Yeah.
the cheese! I melted the cheese, Gromit. Oh no! We've a cheese witness, Gromit.
Let's leave.
Looks like it's time for a cheese abduction. A chuction, if you will. Oh, I killed him, Gromit. But I've got the lass.
The train waits
Hello.
for no man. The,
killed
the
a
cheese
Gromit.
train waits for no man.
No, Gromit. I'm on the cheese train. You're unfit
Let's
to
go.
ride.
That wasn't me, by the
You're,
way.
you're
I'm
unfit to
riding the
ride
train.
the cheese train, Gromit.
I am. I'm the
You're
first
not
rider
allowed
the
on the
cheese
cheese train, Gromit.
train. Right.
Hot, hot, ooh, you want it. Hot, hot, ooh, you want it. Hot, hot, ooh, you want it. Come on now, hot chocolate. Well, Gromit, looks like your Wensleydale wasn't hidden well enough, Gromit. Time for you to leave the cheese train, Gromit.
Oh.
Oh, and hot chocolate. Hot, hot, ooh, we got it. Hot, hot, ooh, we got it. Well, Gromit.
Who's driving the train now, Gromit?
Well, Gromit, looks like
Leo,
I'm
start
in
the
an
train.
executing mood. Who's driving? Who's doing that?
No one.
Well, Gromit, looks like you're not fit to ride the cheese train,
You're
Gromit.
lucky I'm in a nice mood.
Throw him off, Charlie.
I don't feel like it, Leo.
Well, Gromit,
Don't be mean to him now.
not even
You
Wensleydale.
fucking what? You
Well.
fucking what?
Looks like you've been exiled from the cheese train.
You said you didn't like cheese. What do you want me to do, Gromit?
No cheese on the cheese train, Gromit. Well, Gromit, looks like you've got the cheese touch. Then I
Wallace.
touch the cheese, Gromit. The cheese train waits for no man, Gromit. Not even you. I'm sorry, Gromit, but the cheese train waits for no man. Get ready for the cheese, Gromit. You've been a good dog, Gromit. You've been a good dog, Gromit. Welcome to the cheese factory, Gromit. Population? You! Oh no, Gromit. Welcome to the cheese factory, Gromit.
And we're at our next door. Please
Gromit.
kidnap everyone you can fucking
Gromit,
see.
no! Welcome
Please
to the
abort
cheese.
everyone you can fucking see.
That's not a gun, that's cheese. The cheese train waits for no man, Wallace. Many men want to get on the cheese train. But the cheese train waits for no man.
Is anyone near the train?
Soon, Gromit. Stay still, Gromit. We're going on a
He's still funny,
ride. The cheese waits for no man, Gromit. We've got to be quick.
I love how Matthew's running for the train good. We started driving, please stop. Oh, that guy fell off, Liam.
The cheese
He's
train
dead.
waits
You
for
might
no
see him along the
man.
track. I saw it. He had a ginger. He had a ginger guy in his arms. And he was running. Running, going, "Who started the train? Please stop." He had Ron Weasley in his arms.
The cheese train waits for no man, Harry. Not even Ron Weasley.
Not even Ron Weasley.
Not even Ron Weasleydale. Oh, Gromit! I've been obliterated by the cheese train, Gromit. Oh, cheese! Gromit, look at me cheese! It's Wensleydale! Everybody's Gromit! Gromit, no! Wait, Gromit!
The cheese train waits.
Gromit, no!
The
Gromit!
cheese train waits for no man.
I'm on the cheese train, Gromit! The cheese train waits
The
for no
cheese train
man!
waits for no man. Yeah.
The cheese train waits for no man! I picked Johnny. Johnny, I picked him up and I jumped off the train with him in my arms. Gromit.
I just saw Matthew try and jump and he fell off.
The cheese train waits for no man.
I see him running. I see him running.
The cheese train waits for
I
no
see him
man.
trying to swim. Oh my
He's
goodness.
so desperate. Sorry, Gromit. But the cheese is gone. You missed your chunk of cheese, Gromit.
I'm clipping that. It's fucking funny. I can still see him running. He's
Come
still
on,
running.
Gromit.
Fab, he's like Leo. He's like under the train track, and I see him
I
running
can
below.
see him. I can see
Oh,
him.
see him.
I've got this on the stream. Come on,
He's
Gromit.
still running. Oh.
Gromit, you can do
The
it,
cheese
Gromit.
train waits
The
for
cheese-
no man.
The cheese train waits for no man, Gromit. Looks like the Were Bunny will have you now. He's on the train.
Oh, don't Gromit.